It is now recording. So, let me zoom in.
Well, you do it because I don't want to stand back.
Don't you want to be in the video? You have to sit in your seat. It's not going to erupt that big. It's not going to be like a real volcano.
Well, I want to stand back. You do it.
Okay.
Ready? All right, go ahead. Take him in there.
Voila. Now I'm gonna do it over my sister's head. As you can see, nothing is coming out. Are you scared? Think something's gonna come out? No?
Then I take my egg. I'll take another egg.
Okay, science experiment with Joel today.
And Daddy.
Here, scoot back.
Okay. What do we do here? Ah.
It didn't quite work right, but...
Now make sure to put on safety goggles just in case. Shoot!
And here's your volcano.
Bummer.
I'm cringing for waiting for it to explode, huh, Cora?
Right?
Okay, so Luke, explain to everyone why it doesn't pop.